In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to set up your domain name and your web hosting with Bluehost.com. Bluehost is an excellent web hosting solution that offers a one-click WordPress install. The first thing we're going to do is go to Bluehost.com. Bluehost offers amazing hosting services, and I'd highly recommend using them for buying domain names and for hosting your website. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the WordPress hosting tab, and we're going to get started now and sign up for their optimized hosting for WordPress, which starts at $12.49 for the first month. So if you need to buy a domain name, sign up here and follow their forms. You'll get an email with all of your information, and then you can sign up with your hosting. I already have a domain name, so I'm just going to enter it in right here. I'm going to enter my password, and I'm going to go next. So now I'm going to enter in all of my information, so we'll just skip ahead that for now. Alright, so you have officially signed up for an account with Bluehost. Your first step will be to create a password as well as verify your account with Bluehost, meaning you're going to have to get on the phone with your verifications department and get your account all verified so you can really start using it. After you've done that, you're going to go to their login page, go to their hosting login, input your domain name as well as the password that you just set, submit it, and you will enter your cPanel. Your cPanel will be used to manage your hosting account with Bluehost. So it's going to prompt you to install WordPress immediately, but before we do that, let's get a brief overview of your cPanel. So there's a Getting Started section that you can use to get more acquainted with your Bluehost account. You can immediately install your WordPress, because remember, this is optimized WordPress hosting. You also have email addresses that are associated with your domain that you can create through the email tab. Under Files in the File Manager, you can upload different files to your website in case you want to upload just individual files. You can also use an FTP manager like FileZilla to upload batch files to your website. WordPress is already a great content management system, so you can really just use WordPress to handle all your file uploads as well, which will serve our purpose just fine. You also have your domain manager down here in case you ever need to point your domain to another hosting account or to a different website, or if you want to hook up multiple domains to this website. You can also create subdomains in the domain manager, but for now, let's get started with installing WordPress onto our website.